There's water in there? Yeah? Oh shit. Alright, we got water on the floor. Coming out the relief. No pressure in the boiler. Leaky over here. Alright, we got some work to do. Open this up. This thing's fucking shot. Huh? The fucking low water cutoff is completely bypassed. That thing's fucking shot. Yeah, you see that? The size of that fucking shirt. Bro, this one. It definitely used to be right here. That's why they have it valved off. This thing just goes to the water heater now. Because they all have those PTAC units. Fucking cocksucker, man. He's not gonna reach. Unless I give it a little finesse. Take a little from here. Tell me I'm not the fucking goat.
Got some water still in there.
So yeah, fuck it. Fucking serious.
Yeah, however the fuck they did it.
I gotta cut that shit, bro. Got this out. Got our bushing. That's definitely half, bro.
Yeah.
But we got this bushing, so we good. Jesus.
Go check to make sure you got everything you need.
New gauge, new relief, low water cutoff, fill valve. So we're back at the right size circulator pump because this ain't right and I can't get the air out of this fucking system. Valve this off, take this pump out. I'm gonna open both of these and see if I could get some fucking water moving. Alright, looks like we're good to go here. We got the right pump on here now, 8th horsepower. We got all the air out of the system, we got water flowing, and the tenants upstairs got hot water. This fucking line's about 150 degrees now. This tank's already satisfied. And we're good to go. That's it, man.